In this video, I will show you how you can customize the always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to customize the always on display of your Samsung phone, first of all, let's go to the home screen and open settings. Under settings, just scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Now on this page, you will find the option for always on display. Now under the always on display settings, you will find all the settings to customize your always on display as you like. Now if you want to show your navbar in the always on display, just enable this toggle. And if you want to show the lock screen wallpaper in the always on display, just enable this toggle. Now if I open the always on display, you will notice that the lock screen wallpaper is showing in the always on display. Just like that. But if you only want to show the main character and if you want to dim down the background of the wallpaper, then just go back to settings. Now over here you will find the option for erase background. Now if you enable this toggle, now let's go to the lock screen and open the always on display. Now you will notice that the main character is only showing in the always on display and the background is set to black. Now finally we have the option for when to show. As you can see, it is currently on auto, and in auto mode it will show the always on display all the time unless when your Samsung phone detects that you're sleeping or if it is face down. But you also have the option for tap to show, and tap to show, the always on display will remain disabled unless you tap on the display and it will turn on. After that you have the option for always, and in this mode you will enable the always on display always. Now you also have the option for as scheduled, and over here you can set a schedule as when you want to turn on the always on display. As you can see, you can set a start time and an end time, just like that. Then finally you have the option for new notifications, and in this mode the always on display will only be turned on when you receive a new notification. Now these were all the customizations available for the always on display in the settings. But if you want to customize your always on display even more, then just go to your home screen and open the Galaxy Store. And from here, just search this. Now just install Good Lock on your phone. As you can see, it is already installed. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just scroll down and look for the option for Lock Star. As you can see, this is the option for Lock Star. Now we have already installed Lock Star on our phone, but for an example, if it is your first time using Good Lock, then just scroll down and tap on Lock Star and tap on the download icon to download Lock Star. And after you do that, then just tap on the play button to open Lock Star. And after you do that, you will enter into the edit section of your lock screen. Now just tap on Lock Star, and from here, just tap on Always on Display. Now these are the customizations available for the always on display using Lock Star. As you can see, you have the option to add app widgets to your always on display. Also, you have the option to add stickers. You have the option to add text to your always on display. You can change the font of the text from here. You can increase or decrease the size of the text. You can increase or decrease the transparency of the text, and you can set a color for the text. Then finally you have the option for AOD auto brightness. Now this option is very useful. Now if you find that your always on display is too bright and if you want to dim it down, just disable the toggle for auto brightness, and from here you can increase or decrease the brightness of the always on display as you like. As you can see, currently it is looking something like this, but you can dim it down to save the battery, just like that. And once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on done to save. Now if I go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully edited the always on display on our phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.